Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today in this short video I'll show you how to fix Windows 10 PC stuck on resetting. So in this video I'll show you how to fix a resetting problem that if you are trying to reset your PC it is showing some error. So let's start our video without wasting time. So to fix this issue, first of all go to start menu and open command prompt. So in command prompt just you need to enter two commands. I will put them in description. You can copy and paste it in your command prompt.